Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an exterior door. Before you begin, gather all your essential tools, including a drill, a pry bar, a level, and crucial safety glasses. Next, precisely measure your existing door frame opening, noting both its height and width. This ensures you select a new exterior door that perfectly fits your home's aesthetic and security requirements, making the installation process much smoother and more efficient. Now, let's carefully remove the old door. Start by taking out the hinge pins from the existing door. With the pins removed, use a pry bar to gently detach the old door frame from the rough opening, being mindful not to damage the surrounding wall. Once the old frame is out, thoroughly clean the rough opening, removing any debris, old caulk, or fasteners to prepare a pristine space for your new door. With the opening ready, it's time to install your new door. Carefully position the new door frame into the rough opening, ensuring it is perfectly plumb and level using your level and shims. Secure the frame with several screws, checking for smooth operation as you go. Finally, apply a continuous, generous bead of exterior-grade caulk around the entire frame to create a watertight seal, protecting your home from the elements. To complete your door replacement, install all the necessary door hardware, including the handles, locks, and strike plates, ensuring they function correctly. Next, apply weather stripping around the entire door perimeter to effectively prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. Finally, paint or stain your beautiful new door, and it's trimmed to seamlessly match your home's exterior, giving it a fresh, polished look that will last for years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.